My name is Nico Hemp. I'm a consulting process engineer in the petrochemical and energy sectors. Essentially, the idea is to take a non-carbon electricity source such as wind, solar, or nuclear energy and produce a hydrocarbon fuel with a valuable oxygen stream as a byproduct. This is achieved by reacting hot carbon dioxide-rich flue gas with a makeup water stream. Hot CO2-rich flue gas is typically available in the iron and steel industry. The water is initially split into oxygen and hydrogen gases by use of the electricity, and the hydrogen gas is reacted with the CO2 to produce a methane gas product. The oxygen is a valuable byproduct. Approximately 8,300 tons per day of waste carbon-containing flue gas and 40 tons per day of water, together with 20 megawatts of electricity generated from waste heat at 850 degrees Celsius, can conservatively produce in excess of 10 megawatts of thermal methane-rich fuel gas energy. This would reduce LPG or natural gas imports required in the downstream processes. Such an application reverses the energy paradigm for an application where a specific fuel gas quality is required, and we begin to move towards a more sustainable carbon cycle on our planet. An approximately $40 million investment can be expected for the 10 megawatt fuel gas stream as a hedge against volatile energy commodity costs. The corresponding break-even gas price is around $43 per million BTUs. The typical corresponding crude oil price for LPG replacement is expected to be $200 per barrel. This break-even price potentially halves with efficiency enhancements. The initial source of revenue for the venture will be based on technology licensing. At crude oil prices exceeding break-even requirements, revenues can be expanded to a shared savings basis negotiated with the client. There are approximately 20 integrated iron and steel facilities in the US alone. A 7-year R&D to commercial implementation plan can be viewed as realistic. A partnership with a large technology licensing company, such as, for example, Siemens, would be ideal in order to drive development. Target client operating companies could include larger producers in the iron and steel sector, such as ArcelorMittal or Gerdau. The customer base can be extended to any fuel gas consuming industry with possible expansion to a commercial gas network. Customers can keep an existing fuel gas infrastructure unchanged whilst increasing their exposure to possible renewable alternatives. The customer will enjoy longer-term price stability whilst managing reduced carbon emissions.